Every day is a new opportunity. Every day is a chance to wake up and evolve, grow, turn your life into something special. Some days I wake up and I don't feel like doing anything at all. But I remember the purpose. The purpose. Why we get up and do what we do. Chase the bread. And then I get Chick-fil-A.
Back again, daily bread with the Chick-fil-A coffee. Absolutely fire. You just can't beat it, I'm sorry. Honestly, I think the only reason that I actually enjoy drinking the Chick-fil-A coffee is the fact that they, hold on one second. Half the reason I enjoy the Chick-fil-A coffee anyway is because they put an alarming amount of vanilla milkshake syrup in the bottom of the coffee. So if you ever get the coffee and it looks like they're putting cream or something in it, it's really vanilla milkshake syrup that they're pumping into the coffee. And that's really the only reason that I like it, is it's got chocolate syrup and it's got vanilla milkshake syrup in it. So literally was just getting some comments about, oh, you're getting better, you just added a clip of a Ram in there. Well, look, this one's not finished up yet, but I want to go ahead and show you guys this morning before I get busy. I did a 7-inch max track, and then he brought some 26x14s and 37s, and this thing looks mean. It really does. It looks super, super good. I love the fuel runners. Venoms are pretty solid, and then obviously that max track is really good for the 2-wheel drive trucks. But I will tell you this truck is about to be cut. We're gonna have to cut it. This one's still up here, the GMC dually on 28s, and then Trip's old truck is still up here as well. I love this truck though, I really do. This is one of the nicest trucks that I feel like I get to film on a semi-regular basis. Got that red and blue McCoy's kit, always a favorite. Absolutely beautiful. 2614 American Force, love it. Gladiators, color matched front and rear bumpers, bow ties, tow mirrors, amp steps. It's a beautiful truck, it really is. So whoever ends up buying this truck next is getting a beautiful truck. And then the main star of the show today, I've been super, super excited for this truck, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna tell you guys too much about it yet. There isn't much that we did to it, but just take in the beauty for a moment. Just take a moment, take in how beautiful it is, and we'll come back to this in a little bit. With the forces on. We're gonna try something new today. I'm actually something I'm experimenting with. I'm gonna set the camera up and the GoPro's going, but the GoPro's gonna get the audio. So it's like I'm mic'd up almost. So I haven't started the Ram in a couple of days, and I don't want the battery to die like the Charger has. So starting the Ram. I don't know if there's any spiders left under here. I'm pretty sure we got all the spiders out. Yeah, for those of you wondering, the spiders are gone. No more spiders, thanks to Matt Odoms. So spiders are gone. If you guys didn't see in the last video, I did find out that you can't drive the truck over about 65 miles an hour without the hood flying up on you. So that's a thing. The lights still come on, so that's a good sign. Freaking crank's first try, baby. I mean, I don't know what you guys want me to do, bro. Freaking sweet peach of a truck. One of y'all needs to buy this truck is what needs to happen. Because I'm tired of looking at it, okay? And if it keeps sitting here long enough and I don't get the insurance to get with the shits, I'm gonna end up building this and not buying another Cateye. But I want another Cateye. So I need y'all to freaking do something, okay? I need y'all to stop playing games. Because I'm tired of looking at this thing out here, and I'm pretty sure I got the Charger sold too.
You got a GoPro on?
Yeah. I'm mic'd up. I've been waiting to get this one into the parking lot because I'm so freaking excited about this. So we did a blue Tundra last week, and I loved the 24s and the 37s. But then I saw that we were putting 24x12s on the Gladiators. Same lift kit, so still got the 8-inch ready lift. But that brown and chrome together, so you got your ready lift down there. 24x12 KG1 Hurricanes. Beautiful wheel, love this. Normally I'm not a big fan of this wheel, but on this truck, I'm beyond a fan. Chrome front end, that really nice, just brown, gives it that almost like King Ranchy, like nice leathery inside kind of vibe to it, even though it probably doesn't have leather. Actually, wait. Oh man. Oh. I spoke too soon. Freaking beautiful. I love it. Look, with the matching iPhone cord. Oh god. Freaking beautiful. With the amp steps, gotta have the amp steps. The 24s and the Gladiators doesn't require a lot of cutting either, which I'm a big fan of. Didn't have to do a lot of trimming in the back. Really no trimming in the front except that bottom little corner right there. But the 24x12s, Gladiators, 8-inch ready lift, freaking beautiful. I'm showing love to my Toyota fans today. I've been showing a lot of love to my Toyota fans, some Tacomas, some Tundras, but I know that I got a comment yesterday about a Ram. And I'm trying to show some love to my Ram people because y'all keep getting mad in the comments. So here we go for my Ram people. We finished up this 2020 Ram 1500 today. This one will be leaving on Tuesday. But 7-inch max track with the 26x14s and the 37-inch Venoms. Love this wheel. One of my favorite fuel wheels. The Fuel Runner, Lost Black and Mill. Love that wheel with the black spikes. Gotta love it. And then the Venom RT. Huge fan of the way this turned out. It's gonna need some cutting, I'm not gonna lie, but it looks really good. Mikey out here stunting on him with the Tahoe, 5-inch lift in the front. When we gonna lift the back of this thing, Mikey? With the ridge graps and the new Chevy stocks. When we gonna lift the back of this thing?
I don't know, I wanna get it
2 inch lower.
crazy as hell.
Jeez. That's good though. Dang, I want me another Cateye. You're really making me upset right now because you start building this truck and then I want to mess with my Cateye, but it's
I want to put a tow hitch.
freaking totaled.
I want to put tow hitch on there. Drop the rear in 2 inches.
So you can scrape it on the ground?
Every time I hit a bump, it's scraping.
If you, well, I mean, technically, if you put my tow hitch on the back, it'd probably scrape right now. If you went over like a speed bump or something. Because mine's a 10-inch drop. It'd be close, yeah. It looks good though. Ooh, man, got me getting all excited. Meat, come here. You like the squat? Huh? Yeah, I like the squat. It's not bad. Hey. Psst. Fuck you. Right here.
Where's the fucking camera?
Over there.
Dude's mic'd up on a Saturday.
Mic'd up on a Saturday. You got anything you want to say to YouTube?
Yes.
That's it? Just yes? Are you just gonna leave without saying bye? Just gonna leave without saying bye? Really? You're just leaving without saying goodbye? You don't feel good?
I don't know what it is. It's at the end of the week, every week, and then legs go burning and shit.
Really?
I'm just tired. That run we on.
Did you get that ointment that you needed? I love you.
That's what I'm talking about.